People still can't agree on this. Some players genuinely believe Red Dead Redemption 2 still has the best graphics Rockstar has ever made. Others think GTA 6 already looks way more advanced, even from the trailers alone. And honestly, this debate is getting bigger every day, because somehow, a game released back in 2018 is still being compared to Rockstar's newest project. That sounds crazy. So today, we're comparing GTA 6 and Red Dead Redemption 2 side by side to see which game actually looks more realistic. And trust me, some of these differences are much closer than people expected. Before we start, this comparison is only based on official GTA 6 trailer footage and actual Red Dead Redemption 2 gameplay. No fake leaks, no made-up information, just real visuals Rockstar has officially shown. Let's start with the first thing people notice instantly: lighting. And honestly, this is where things get really interesting. Even after years, Red Dead Redemption 2 still looks unbelievable. Sunsets feel cinematic. Fog looks natural. Shadows react realistically. Whether you're riding through snowy mountains or standing in a forest during sunrise, everything somehow feels real. Light doesn't just exist in RDR2. It feels alive. Sunlight reacts naturally through trees. Clouds affect brightness. Even muddy roads reflect light differently depending on weather. And somehow, Rockstar made all this work back in 2018. That's honestly insane. But then GTA 6 enters the conversation, and suddenly things stop being so one-sided. Because GTA 6 lighting already looks incredibly advanced, the city reflections feel sharper. Neon lights bounce naturally off roads. Sunset scenes near beaches somehow feel warmer and more realistic. Even basic daytime clips from the trailer already feel visually impressive. And what makes this comparison difficult is that both games go for very different vibes. RDR2 feels realistic in a natural way. GTA 6 feels realistic in a modern way. One focuses on nature, the other focuses on city life, and honestly, both look incredible. But now, let's talk about character realism, because this might be one of Rockstar's biggest upgrades. In Red Dead Redemption 2, character details still look crazy today. Arthur Morgan's facial expressions feel real. Skin textures react naturally in different lighting. Beard growth changes over time. Even tiny eye movements somehow make characters feel alive. And then there are clothes, mud sticks to outfits. Snow reacts realistically. Sweat changes depending on weather. For a 2018 game, that level of detail still feels next level. But then Rockstar showed Lucia in GTA 6, and people immediately started talking. Her facial details already look incredibly realistic. Hair movement feels smoother. Skin textures look more detailed. Clothing folds feel more natural. Even short trailer moments somehow look polished. And remember, we still haven't seen full gameplay. That's the crazy part. Most of what we've seen so far comes from official trailers. So visually, GTA 6 already looks incredibly strong. But graphics aren't everything, because realistic games need realistic worlds. And this is where things become really interesting. RDR2 might still have one of the most believable worlds ever created. Animals react naturally. Weather changes feel realistic. NPCs behave differently depending on situations. Even random interactions somehow feel immersive. You can literally stop playing missions and spend hours just exploring. Walk through forests, ride horses, watch random NPC conversations. And somehow, the world still feels alive. Not because it's crowded, but because it feels believable. Now compare that to GTA 6. Rockstar clearly seems to be going in a different direction. Instead of quiet realism, they're building chaos. Crowded beaches, busy streets, heavy traffic, nightlife everywhere. People recording videos. Random city activity happening constantly. Vice City already feels packed with life. And honestly, this might become GTA 6's biggest strength, because GTA 6 doesn't seem focused on calm realism. It looks focused on modern realism, the kind of realism where everything feels busy all the time. And judging by the trailers, Rockstar may actually pull it off. Now let's talk about water, because Rockstar fans noticed this immediately. RDR2 water still looks incredible. Rivers react naturally. Mud changes depending on movement. Rain feels immersive. Even tiny puddles somehow reflect the environment realistically. But GTA 6, the beach scenes already look ridiculous. Ocean reflections look sharper. Water movement feels smoother. Wet roads after rain look much more detailed compared to older GTA games. And honestly, this could become one of GTA 6's biggest visual upgrades. Then there's environment detail, and this category honestly feels unfair sometimes, because RDR2 still looks unbelievably detailed. Grass reacts naturally, trees move realistically, snow leaves footprints, animals interact with the environment. Everything feels carefully designed, even tiny details feel intentional. But GTA 6 already looks impressive in a different way. The city feels dense, buildings feel detailed, roads look busy, crowds feel larger, the atmosphere somehow feels energetic all the time. And depending on what kind of realism you prefer, your answer could completely change. Some people prefer natural realism, others prefer city realism. Now, here's something many people forget. RDR2 had years to prove itself. Players experienced full gameplay, exploration, weather, NPC systems, animals, physics, everything. But GTA 6? We still haven't fully played it, and that matters, because trailers always look amazing. The real test starts when gameplay is finally in players' hands. Still, the fact that GTA 6 is already being compared to Red Dead Redemption 2 says a lot. Because RDR2 is still one of the best-looking games ever made, even years later. And yet, many people already think GTA 6 might actually beat it in some areas, especially city realism, lighting, reflections, crowd density, and modern atmosphere. But at the same time, RDR2 still feels unmatched in natural realism. Forests, animals, weather, environmental detail. That game still feels unbelievably alive. So honestly, this comparison might be much closer than people expected. And until GTA 6 finally releases, nobody really knows the final answer. So what do you think? Does Red Dead Redemption 2 still have better graphics? Or is GTA 6 already looking more realistic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more GTA 6 comparisons like this, subscribe, because Rockstar still might be hiding even crazier details inside GTA 6.